At ng ginagawa nyo, whether it's a minor project or a major exam, do it with passion. Finally, don't forget your inner chopper. Alagaan ang sarili. Walang saysay ang Dean's List kung wasak naman yung mental health nyo. Maging mabuti sa sarili. Graduates, mapapansin nyo, magkakaiba ang papel nila sa buhay. Magkakaiba ang papel nila sa barko. Pero iisa ang layunin. Ganon din kayo. Magkakaiba kayo ng kurso. Magkakaiba ng bilis. Pero sa pagtutulungan at tamang mindset, you will sail toward your dreams. Stronger, wiser, and unstoppable. Gaya ng ating team sa umagang ito, because true competence is the skill to survive the storm. And true character is the heart to keep sailing. You are now prepared to lead your own ship. Ngayon, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga guro. Salamat sa inyong tiyaga at sakripisyo. Salamat sa mga naging guro ko din noong high school. Kila Sir Alfie, Mama Petana, Sir Escobillo, Sir Desena, Ma'am Haugan, Ma'am Hazel, Ma'am Costa, at marami pa pong iba, mga class advisors ko at mga subject teachers. Marami pong salamat sa inyo. Sa mga magulang at pamilya, salamat po sa sakripisyo. Salamat po sa pagpasensya for waking up so early para mag-prepare ng pagkain, to juggle both work and caring for them. Guiding them every single day. Mahirap, pero kinakaya. At sa bawat estudyante na nakaupo ngayon, alam kong hindi madali ang pinagdaanan nyo. May kanya-kanya kayong kwento, may kanya-kanya kayong laban. At kahit hindi namin marinig lahat ng yon, nandito kayo ngayon. Tumayo kayo, nagpatuloy kayo, at natapos nyo. You made it. At sobrang proud ako sa inyo. Palakpakan nyo yung sarili nyo. Ayan. Sa huling pagkakataon, bilang mga graduate, nais kong hawakan nyo yung mga diploma nyo. Ayan. Ayan, kunin nyo nga diploma nyo. Tingnan nyo ang inyong mga magulang, mga guardians, at lahat ng espesyal na tao na nandito ngayon para suportahan kayo. Ayan, hanapin nyo sila. Tingnan nyo sila. At sundan nyo ako. Itaas ninyo ang inyong mga kamay. Hawak ang diploma. Ayan. At sabihin, Ma, Pa, salamat. Dahil sa inyo, hawak ko na ang D. Hawak ko na ang D. Hawak ko na ang diploma. Ayan. Maraming salamat at maligayang bati sa inyong lahat. Ako po, si John Ray Aliwalas, nag-iiwan ng katagang mata sa langit, paas sa lupa, mangarap ng mataas, tuparin ng patas.
Thank you so much, Sir Janway, for inspiring our graduates. To award the Certificate of Appreciation to our guest speaker, may I request Sir Cesar Q. Antolin, Sir Martin I. Diaz, Sir Lord A. Dalayap, and Ma'am Esther M. Yulira.
Let me read to you the citation of the plaque. Plaque of appreciation is hereby awarded to Mr. John Ray P. Aliwalas, RMP, in grateful appreciation of his presence as a guest speaker during the Tacorong National High School Senior High School graduation ceremony this 31st day of March 2026 at Tacorong City Cultural Center and Sports Gymnasium. Signed, Martin I. Diaz, Principal 3. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our guest speaker. We also award the Certificate of Appreciation to Pastor Kilvin Ray Bugador, SGC President, in heartfelt gratitude for his active involvement and generous support to Tacurong National High School. His commitment and partnership with the school have greatly contributed to the successful implementation of its programs, projects, and activities for the school year 2025-2026. Given this 31st day of March 2026 at Tacurong City Gymnasium, City of Tacurong. Signed, Martin I. Diaz, Principal 3. Thank you very much, sir. Same certificate of appreciation is also given to Mr. Jose Warren Javier, the SPTA President. Once again, let's give them a big round of applause, please.
To lead the Pledge of Loyalty, please welcome Mr. Prince Emmy S. Lictawa with honors, the SSLG President for the school year 2025-2026.
Please raise your right hand, and together we will recite the Pledge of Loyalty. In the presence of God, we, the graduates, solemnly pledge to remain ever faithful to our belief, to live up the expectation of Tacurong National High School, our alma mater, to cherish her worthy teaching at heart and mind, and may no thought, word, or deed tarnish her name.
You may now take your seats. Today is not just a celebration of achievements, but a tribute to resilience, growth, and the unwavering spirit that carried them this far. Each of these graduates carries a story of beginnings, of becoming, and of hope for what lies ahead. Now, let us listen to the tribute song of our graduates titled Wings of Tomorrow.
We come so far, the dreams unknown. With every seed, a hope we sown. Our hearts are strong, our voices grow. The light of the future begins to show. the days we shared. Each lesson learned.
No moments lost.
With every step,
We
we've come to see the best is yet for you and me. Spread our wings up tomorrow, rise above joy and sorrow, encouraging love tomorrow, fly our wings up tomorrow.
The stars are calling from afar.
Guiding us to who we are.
The world awaits to play our part.
We burning dreams inside our hearts. Let's spread our wings up tomorrow, rise above joy and sorrow, encouraging love to borrow, to fly our wings up tomorrow.
Thank you, graduates. As we bring our commencement exercises to a meaningful close, let us listen to the message of our school principal, Sir Martin I. Diaz.
Thank you, Ma'am Wilin Laballe and Sir Daryl Casamorin, ang mga magagaling natin mga MC sa programang ito. So, excited na ang lahat kasi patapos na or huling-huli na talaga. Pero just allow me first, no, to batiin din ang aking mga kasamahan dito. Kanina, sa ating Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Hildo G. Musqueda, sa ating Education Program Supervisor na nandito pa, Sir Cesar Antolin, ang ating panauhin, ang speaker natin at isang alumni natin, John Ray Aliwalas, Sir Pastor Kevin Bugador, and Sir sa ang ating School Governing Council, kasama rin dito, kumakatawan sa PTA natin, Sir Mark Alien Lanera, isa sa PTA board natin. Kasama rin natin dito si Sir Freddy Delantar, ang ating dating principal, ngayon ay retired na. At ang aking dalawang partner, Ma'am Esther Elioran at Sir Lloyd Dalayap. Nandito rin ang dalawa nating academic coordinator, Ma'am Jean Termin at Ma'am Maris Uy. At nandito rin ang ating dalawang principal ng elementarya, Sir Rodolfo Agon ng San Emmanuel Elementary School at si Sir Samson Talyodar, ang principal ng Takurong Pilot Elementary School. Sila yung mga partner natin sa elementary at of course, lahat ng estudyante nila papunta sa atin. So, napakasaya ang mga ganitong araw, no? Lahat kayo ay nagtapos na at maglalakbay papunta ng college. Kaya pinapasalamatan ko kayong lahat, no? As we bring this meaningful celebration to a close, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has been a part of this momentous occasion. Ang ating mga parents, no? Maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala ninyo sa aming paaralan at kami naman po ay lubos na nagmamalaki na naihanda, nasasabihin na naihanda namin ang inyong mga anak pagdating sa college. Kaya ini-encourage ko po lahat ng mga magulang, huwag po nating bitawan ang ating mga anak. Patapusin po talaga natin, suportahan po talaga natin sila sa pagtapos sa college. No? Sa mga kasamahan kong guro na nandito, maraming salamat din sa inyo sa isang matagumpay na school year. No? Sa mga technical working group dito, maraming salamat sa paghahanda ng lahat na ito. Sa ating mga panauhin kanina na nandito, lalong-lalo na, ito mga graduates natin. So, handa na ba kayo sa college? Damang-dama ko ang gym ngayon ay punong-puno ng tagumpay at of course, punong-puno ng pangarap. No? Nakahanda na kayo papunta sa college. So, to our dear graduates, today is a testament to you, to your hard work, perseverance, and determination. As you move forward, always remember that you are not only equipped with knowledge, but also guided by strong values and integrity. With that team, Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character, we are confident that you will rise to the challenges of the future with excellence and purpose. May you become a leaders who are not only capable and skilled, but also compassionate, responsible, and committed to serving others and our nation. We have prepared you skillfully, knowledge, nandyan lahat. Pero talagang ihilingin ko sa mga graduate ngayon itong huling nabanggit ko, you should be compassionate, responsible, and committed. Yung character na nakikita natin ngayon sa ating kapaligiran na magagaling sila, pero yung attitude, yung character, wala talaga. Punong-puno ng korupsyon. Huwag nating gayahin yon, mga anak. No? Yun ang inihiling ko sa inyo ngayon. Dahil alam ko, tiwalang-tiwala ako sa mga kaguruan natin na nabigyan kayo ng skills, no? Na kailangan nyo para sa pagtatanggubay sa iyong buhay. Ngunit yun nga, inuulit ko, buuin din natin yung mabuting mga gawain, mga mabuting ugali, hanapin din natin. Hanapin natin, idagdag natin sa kan. So, carry with you the pride of being Filipino, carry with you the pride of being a Tacurong National High School graduates. Kagaya ng ating mystical bird, ang herons. No? Gusto kong munang ano ba yung herons na yan? Siya isang ibong manlalakbay, di ba? Kung saan-saan siya pumupunta para maghanap buhay. Ang kanyang mga ugali ay patience and stillness. You often see a heron standing quietly in water, waiting for the perfect moment to catch its prey. This represents wisdom and timing in life. Ang herons na ay self-reliance. Herons usually move and hunt alone, symbolizing independence and confidence in one's own path. A balance and harmony. Their poised stance reflects emotional balance and the ability to navigate life calmly. So, good luck, herons. Sana sa pagbabalik ninyo, maging matagumpay kayo lahat. Ang mga pangarap ninyo ay inyong maabot. So, sa mga magulang, sa mga estudyante, at sa mga panauhin dito, mga guro, mga kasamahan kong guro, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, Sir Martin. This time, please all rise as we join together in the singing of the Teenagers hymn to be conducted by the composer himself, Sir Ronald D. De La Peña, PhD. Another achievement has been fulfilled. Today, you have come to realize that in a long journey, the light at the end of the tunnel is within reach. Thus, it's your time to rejoice, look forward to a better future, and be ready to face the challenges ahead.
As you depart from your alma mater, always remember that we are one with you in your dreams. Bring with you our prayers and our expectations that you will uphold the name of Tacorong National High School.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the grand production number of our graduates, or should I say, their final dance, a celebration of dreams, memories, and the journey that brought them here.
Isang panibagong bukas ang ating hinahangad. Huwag mong sasayangin ang pagkakataong dumadapos sa iyong mga palad.
Lahat ng aking pagsisikap ay inaalay ko sa iyo. Anumang pagsubok ang aking harapin, mananatiling nakatayo.
Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan ka man patungo, liliwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Halina't hawakan ng aking kamay, magpay ng sabay-sabay, tayo ang hiraya.
Itumuling pasasalamat sa pamilya at mga kaibigan. Ako'y narito dahil lamang sa'yo, nanatiling nakatayo. Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan ka man patungo, liliwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Halina't hawakan ng aking kamay, lumagpay ng sabay-sabay, tayo ang hiraya.
Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan ka man patungo, liliwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Ikaw ang hiraya, kahit saan ka man patungo, liliwanag ang pag-asa sa bawat sulok ng halina't hawakan ang aking kamay, lumagpay ng sabay-sabay, tayo ang
Let us give them a round and a heartfelt round of applause. What we have just seen is a story told through movements, shaped by memories, and carried by the strength, unity, and spirit of our graduates.
At this juncture, please all stand for the exit of the colors. that concludes our 9th Senior High School commencement exercises. I am Daryl B. Casamorin.
And I am William C. Lavalle, saying,
Congratulations and continue to uphold the culture of excellence. The recessional of our graduates, administrators, guests, faculty, and staff. Once again, congratulations to our graduates. We would like to remind you that your diploma is original, so please take care of them. Announcement for the information of everybody. June 1 to 5 will be our Uplan Balik Eskwela and Brigada Eskwela. And June 8 will be the first day of classes. So see you in June.
All right. So good morning once again. We will have our pictorials, teachers. So we will have our pictorials. We will just prepare our setup and then we will have our pictorials by grade level. Be ready, grade 7. Dito na po sa stage, grade 7 teachers. And may I ask our leaders, school leaders, to please be seated here. Once again, we are requesting our grade 7 teachers to please go up on the stage now. Requesting Ma'am Jean, Ma'am Maris, Ma'am Esther to please be here, Sir Martin. Our principals present, Sir Cesar. All right, thank you. Grade 7, you may now have, sir, okay, our guest speaker, please sit as well. Yan. And our guidance counselor. Also, our SGC and PTA representatives present today. Okay. Yan, Sir Delantar. And Sir Agon. Ayan. Dito po sa upuan, sir. Okay, grade 8 teachers, please prepare. Grade 8 teachers, please prepare. Thank you, grade 8 teachers. Sa taas na po tayo. Grade 9 teachers, please be ready po. Grade 8, andyan na po ang grade 8. Okay. Grade 8 teachers. Grade 9, dito na rin po tayo grade 9 teachers siguro sa taas para madali na lang po tayo. Okay, dito pa po, may space pa po dito, grade 8. Yan. Okay, grade 9 teachers, please be ready. Thank you. Okay, grade 9 teachers, dito na po tayo. Okay. Grade 9, then grade 10, please be ready as well. All right. Once again, we're calling the grade 9 teachers to please be here now. Sige. Okay. Grade 9 teachers, andyan na. Okay, grade 10 teachers. Thank you very much, grade 9 teachers. Now let us have our grade 10 teachers. Grade 11 teachers, please be ready as well. Okay. Okay, grade 11 teachers, please prepare. All right, grade 11 and grade 12 teachers. Grade 11, dito na po, grade 11. Okay. Grade 11 teachers, please be ready. Grade 12 teachers. Okay, kayo po ang next. Grade 12 teachers. Okay. Grade 12 teachers and then SPA and STEP teachers, advisors. Okay. Kayo po ang next. Grade 12 teachers. Yan. Medyo puno ang grade 12. SPE and STEP, dito po tayo sa taas. SPA and STEP po. Then after that will be our non-teaching personnel. Non-teaching personnel po. Go na. Okay, sir. Non-teaching personnel, please be ready po. Sila Ma'am Nilin. Okay. Okay, non-teaching personnel, please be ready. Alright, our non-teaching personnel, please be here as well. Excuse muna, dadaan po sila. Yes.